What's up guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be talking about the price target and the bull flag that is currently playing around on this particular circle right here. I will be talking about the bull flag that is currently playing around in this circle right here, and on top of that I will be talking about our current support that has our current resistance that has now turned to a support on the daily time frame. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get onto the video, and do also remember to smash up the like button like we did yesterday. Yesterday was amazing. So guys, let's take a look at what the chart is telling us today, and let's know where we'll be seeing Bitcoin at the end of today. So guys, on the chart here, we could see that Bitcoin is forming a bearish and curving right here. And I'm assuring you guys, as long as we still remain in our current position right here, that Bitcoin will not go. As long as we remain in this triangle right here, that as long as Bitcoin has not break below, getting to our previous demand zone here, our previous resistance here, Bitcoin will not go below what we are seeing on the screen. Bitcoin will not go below what we are seeing in the screen. I strongly believe Bitcoin will not come down to 23,400, and I believe we will bouncing back from this place. And like I told you guys, our target still remain at 25,500. Our target still remain at 25,500. So on top of that, we'll be looking at the weekly time frame and see that Bitcoin is still much bullish on the weekly time frame. And let's not follow, although we should also consider what is happening on the hourly time frame here, but at the same time let's consider what is happening on the weekly time frame, because a lot of people trade with a high daily time frame, and a lot of people choose to trade with the hourly time frame on. A lot of people trade with a lot of people even trade with a lot of people also trade with a small time frame. Like me myself, I trade with like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, but a lot of people like trading with a higher time frame. So if you're looking at what Bitcoin is doing here, it's forming a bearish and curving, which I'm sure that Bitcoin will not go below this previous target. Yeah, if it does go below our plus target, yeah, that means we'll be bearish on Bitcoin. Well, that means our target will be next to this point here. This where our target will be next to. If Bitcoin should fall below that, that means we'll be heading to 22,800. If Bitcoin should break below here, as you could see here, we still have our previous resistance. We still have our previous resistance here that has turned to a support zone for us. So let's keep our eyes on the market. However the market is going, I'm still going to let you guys know what is going to play out in the market. But with what I'm saying here, I don't think Bitcoin is going to go below what we think. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame, and then from there we'll know what is going to happen in the market for today. Okay, so guys, here we are on the daily time frame. You could see Bitcoin is trying. The daily time frame started with a bearish flag. But we could see yesterday end with a bullish flag, and the day before yesterday end also with a bullish flag. So here we are having a little shadow, which buyers and sellers are still very strong in the market, but we could see that sellers are winning. And we could take a look at the MEXC right here. You could see that the MEXC on top of this place is doing what we call an overbought. That's what the MEXC is doing right here. The MEXC is doing an overbought from this circle right here like this. If you could take a look at what is happening from this point right here, you could see that a lot of shadows are happening in the market, which we don't really know if buyers are going in or sellers are going in. But with what happened yesterday, we believe that the market is strongly on the buyer's side. And you could see a two shadow candles trying to form here, a bullish candle which is green at the same time trying to form. You see that trying to form. So if we take a look at the weekly time frame, you can see that this MEXC right here is currently at this point. The MEXC that is up here now is currently at this point here, which shows that the week is going to be a little bit more bullish than every other week. So guys, don't forget, if you're going to be longing or shorting the market for today, for those of you who short the market yesterday, we made a lot of profit. I myself made a lot of profit. So the link is still here for you. This is the buy gate link. The buy gate link is still here for you. And then down here we have our MEXC Pro, they are still giving out $1,000. Up here you could see the $1,000. They are still giving out $1,000 for future traders. How the $1,000 work? You trade with this money, and then after the end of the month they take the money and then you keep the profit. Down here you could see we still have our Binance. For those of you who don't have Binance, Binance is the biggest exchange in the world, one of the largest and the biggest exchange in the world that makes out trillions. According to CZ, the CEO of Binance, he said last year Binance made a total of 34 trillion trading in crypto. That's what the total trade they made last year was, 34 trillion. Yes, it's Binance, and this is Bigate. Bigate is another exchange that is doing massively well, and it's for the big guys. And all this exchange, you could make money from them, guys. Just use the link on my bio and you will be making massive money on all this exchange. Okay guys, this is the weekly time frame. You could see here, for those of you who trade future, who trade forex more, we could see this has been the weak sell. This candle right here has been on a very weak sell. The sell has been so weak, like you could see from this point here, the sell has been very weak, like very weak. The sell has been very weak, and you could see the MACD right here. The MACD is down, showing you that the market is about to go on a very long buy. And guys, also if you're taking a look at it, you see another green candle trying to form here, and it's a strong green candle trying to form right here. And at the same time, if you take a look at our resistance here, guys, Bitcoin is close to $10,000, more than it is close to $40,000. If you take a look at, if Bitcoin should break out of this point, we believe this 10,000 of a thing people are talking about is too close. Look at the distance between 10,000 and 40,000. You see, Bitcoin is close to $10,000, more than it is close to $40,800, guys. So whichever way we believe the market is bullish, and the week is not deceiving us, the market is bullish on the week. So whichever way you are trading, make sure you use our link, and make sure you leave a thumb up on this video. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.